Okay, I'm in Bourlay Park. It's in Leesburg. And this is Lake Griffin. And I'm perusing the property. I think it's about 80 acres. I'm not going to go to all 80 acres, but I'm checking out the trails because, oh, look at that. Because we're going to be doing some earth art here as a community in February. And I want to see what kind of trees and vegetation is here. Let's see what I find. Look at this clover. Look how big it is of the leaves. And it's blooming beautiful, pretty pink right now. Of course, we have palms and lots of oak leaves. And Spanish moss. I just love this. Don't worry about chiggers. You're not going to find chiggers in Spanish moss when it's on the trees. It's an air plant. And it really dislikes metal, so I can't use it on any metal armatures. But I have some plans for Spanish moss in some of my creations. What kind of nuts are these? The hickory? I'm not sure if you can see this. It's a spider in the center of a web. Maybe if I zoom in, I don't wish to disturb it. See that web? That's so cool. Don't get freaked out. Come to the workshop. We won't let you play with spiders. Well, these look like liquid amber, otherwise known as the sweet gum tree. And sure enough, there's some gumballs.
Just a little something, because I'm very hungry. I haven't eaten lunch yet.
So I've gathered some sticks from tree limbs that have fallen. Very simple, you just snap them, they're very dry. And I'll create a template or an outline and see what I come up with. See what I have found that has fallen on the ground. Okay, I'm afraid the bugs have found me, and I'm also really hungry. So I just put a little something together. We have sweet gumballs, pods, and acorns. These are from oak. These are the oak leaves that we have down here in Central Florida. Some Spanish moss, and I don't know what these berries are, but I like a little color. So let's just take a photo of this, because it's the first one I've done this year in Central Florida. Okie doke. So I'm going to be doing a talk in January, date to be announced, and then we're going to be doing some chalk mandalas somewhere in the town of Leesburg, so bring the kids. And then we're doing a mandala workshop, which is going to be a few hours, and we'll be walking in the woods, and you'll learn about nature's paint box. And then we'll make our own personal mandalas. More detailed than this. This was on the fly, but it's just a little fun. Have to do it. Okay, there you go. Ciao for now. Beauty berries and lots of butterflies. Hello. Black and yellow. What a great park. Oh, look at that. Crackle paint. Anybody know what this is?